In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cloud flow from a template in Power Automate. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflows and automate repetitive tasks with just a few clicks. To get started, you'll need to sign in to Power Automate. You can do this by heading to the website make.powerautomate.com. Once you're there, make sure you're in the correct environment. This is crucial so that the flow works as intended within your desired context. Now, let's navigate through Power Automate. You'll see a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, you want to click on Templates. This section showcases a variety of pre-built flows that you can use right out of the box. To find a template that suits your needs, you can either use the search bar or browse through different categories. Let's say you need a notification whenever a file is created. You can type "Send notification when a file is created" into the search bar. Once you've located a template that aligns with your needs, go ahead and click on it to open it up. At this stage, you might be prompted to sign in to the required connections like SharePoint, OneDrive, or Outlook, among others. This step is necessary to ensure that the flow has access to all the resources it needs to run effectively. Click Continue, or whatever equivalent option is available, to proceed with using the template. Now comes the customization part, where you can tailor the flow to better suit your needs. You'll want to start by editing the trigger details. This could involve specifying things like the site or the folder that the flow should monitor. Then, adjust the actions. This means editing anything from the message content to the destination where these messages or actions should be sent or enacted. Don't forget to rename the flow at the top to give it a meaningful name. This is particularly useful for managing and keeping track of multiple flows later on. After you're happy with all your edits and adjustments, make sure to click Save or Create Flow. This step locks in your changes and sets up the flow to start automating your tasks. Now, it's time for the final check. Testing the flow. Make sure it triggers and runs as you expect it to. This is a key step to ensure everything is set up correctly. Run a couple of tests, see how it performs, and make any necessary tweaks until it works just right. And that's it. You've successfully created a cloud flow from a template in Power Automate. With this new tool at your disposal, you'll be able to automate processes more efficiently, saving time and resources. Enjoy exploring the endless possibilities that Power Automate offers, and happy automating!